In this question, Adam chooses the colours for a new team shirt. The shirt has 2 colours, so 2 is in bold. That's an important bit of information to not overlook. There are 4 colours to choose from: yellow, blue, white and red. Write the 2 missing combinations. Again, 2 is in bold, so it means that out of all the possible missing combinations, there are specifically 2 left. Okay, so there are a couple of ways of doing this. You could draw up a little 2-way table with all your colours in. However, I'm going to show you without doing that and how to work systematically. So first of all, if we took the first colour, yellow, as they have done here, there are 3 options. The yellow could go with the blue, which we've done here. The yellow could go with the white, or the yellow could go with the red. So we've written those 3 combinations out already. Okay, so that's working systematically. If we next go to the blue, we can think about what the blue could go with. Just an important point, the yellow we couldn't do yellow and yellow because it says the shirt has 2 colours. So it can only be yellow with one of the other combinations. So now we can start with the blue. Now, we've already done blue and yellow. We could say blue goes with yellow, but look, we've already done it here. Okay, so we do, the blue can go with white, which we've done. The blue could go with red, which isn't done. So blue and red. Okay, we now go on to the next colour. So now we're going to go on to white. White could go with yellow, but that's done here. White could go with blue, but that's done here. And white can go with red, which is not done yet. So we do white and red. Now, just to double check that we really have got all of them, let's go on to the last colour, which is red. And we can think about all the possible other colours that can go with red. So red could go with yellow. What is that? Red could go with yellow, but that's already done here. Red could go with blue, but that's already done here. And red can go with white, and that's already done here. So you can see we have truly found all of the combinations possible. We have worked through it systematically, and we have written in the 2 missing combinations. So another way to do this could have been to do a 2-way table. So I've just written the colours along the top and along the bottom. This isn't very neat, doesn't have to be very neat. I'm going to just black out the same colours because it has to be 2 colours, remember. So yellow and yellow, blue and blue, white and white, red and red. They don't count. So let's have a little look at what we've got. So we've got yellow and blue. So yellow and blue is already done, but that is the same as blue and yellow. So those are already done. Next one we've got is yellow and white. So yellow and white is already done. So that means white and yellow is also done. Then we've got yellow and red. So yellow and red, we can do red and yellow as well. Then we've got blue and white. Blue and white is here. And that means we could also do white and blue, which is here. So the ones we have left are red and blue, or blue and red, which is the same as this one. And the other one we've got is this one, red and white, or white and red. So we've got white and red, and we've got the blue and red. Those are the 2 we found in the table. So that is another way you could do it. It just helps you to be systematic. Do you know what your child needs to know about algebra in Year 6? There are 5 objectives taken from the national curriculum. I've covered all 5 of those objectives in my Year 6 algebra ebook available in the Pocket Private Tutor shop. I also have my All About Algebra course, which is a great introductory course to lay the foundations for algebra and is suitable for anyone in Year 5 or Year 6 before having a go at the Year 6 objectives.